What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya, the best boom and crash trader, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys this strategy that managed to make me over $500 daily while it's using it. I like to call this strategy the 1450 strategy, and you'll find out soon why I have named it that. But in this video we're going to look at the settings of this strategy. We're going to look at the conditions that have to be met in order for you to enter a trade, and we're also going to look at your risk management. Okay, so please try and watch up until the end so that you don't miss any notes or any important points. Now, before I continue, I need you guys to take note of the fact that the boom and crash market is just like any other market that you know. You can still press a buy or a sell on either one of them, despite boom being an index that detects a rise in price and crash being an index that detects a sell in price. Okay, so you have to take note of the fact that the market always moves in cycles. Okay, so this then removes the point that most of you guys make, that we cannot place a sell trade on boom or you cannot place a buy trade on crash. Yes, you can, because it is still going to form those cycles. Every market breathes in and out, and there always is a trend that you must follow. So within this video, these indicators are going to help us identify that trend, help us identify an entry point, and also help us identify an exit point. For that is what makes a good strategy. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure you click the subscribe button. We are almost at 40,000 subscribers, and as usual, if you want to win a chance to be in our VIP Signals group for free, make sure that you like this video and you comment down below. The first one to comment will win our VIP Signals for 30 days. Okay, so I'm going to remove all the indicators that I have on the screen, and we're going to install them together one by one so that you guys do not get lost. I understand we might have new people here that are trying trading for the first time, so please follow closely. The first indicator that we want to install is called a moving average. Now, this moving average will have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 14 right here, a shift of 0, a method of exponential, apply to close, and then there are no levels for this indicator. And on visualization, allow it to be on all time frames. Actually, make sure that all the indicators appear on all your time frames. Okay, and on your styling, we're going to change this color to a green one. Okay, and then we're going to click done, and as you can see, we now have that green moving average running across our charts, which is our first indicator. Okay, the next indicator that we want to add again is a moving average, but this time it has got a period of 50. The shift will remain as 0. The method is exponential. Apply to close, and again allow it to be on all time frames, and I'll change this color to red. Okay, and done. And as you can see, we now have the red and green line. Okay, some of you can already tell why we call this strategy the 1450. It's because of these two moving average that we have, EMA 14 and EMA 50. Okay, and you see how powerful these indicators are. Moving on, we're going to add our indicator window 1, which is going to be made out of the stochastic oscillator, which is right here. And the stochastic oscillator will have the following properties. We have got a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, and a slowing of 1. The price field will be low over high. The method is simple. And on your levels, we've got your level 20, which will be our buy zone, and our level 80, which will be our sell zone. And then if you click done, down there again, allow it to be on all time frames. And on your styling, make sure that your main and your signal all have the same color as the background color of your charts. Okay, so I've got a white background on my chart, and that's why I chose white for my main and my signal. So if I click done, you see that there will be nothing inside our indicator window 1 except our buy level and our sell level, and this will show you that you have successfully installed it. And then last but not least, we need to add another indicator under our indicator window 1, and it is going to be a moving average again, but this time it is going to have a period of 10. The shift will be 0, the method will be exponential, apply to close, and again you can allow it to be on all time frames. I'll change this style to a black color like this, and then I'll click done. And as you can see, we have successfully installed our strategy. This is the strategy that we had at the beginning of this video. Now you're probably wondering, then how do you use this strategy? Before I get into all that, I'm going to be posting the settings for this strategy in our free Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. You can go check it out. And in that group, I post all trading materials. I post analysis on trades, on boom and crash. I post trading strategies for you to get some help and materials to improve on your trading journey. So if you want to get all that, it's available for free. There are over 7,000 in our Telegram community. So please feel free to join. It's completely free to join. You'll also be able to find my WhatsApp number, and you'll also be able to find my trading results, what I'm getting from these strategies, as well as results from our VIP Signals group. So if you want to watch and understand how our VIP Signals group is performing, make sure you check out our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below, and it is completely free for you to join. Just click the link and it will take you straight to Telegram, where you can join our group for free. Okay, so again, I'll be announcing the winner for this week's VIP Signals in our next video, so make sure you don't miss that. Make sure you're subscribed so that you do not miss out on that. Let's get back to our strategy and see how we can work with this. Okay, now this is a very powerful strategy, guys. We're probably going to have a series of videos on this because it is a very complex and so powerful that I actually teach it one-on-one to my mentorship students, because it is a very easy way for you to learn and grow. Okay, so how to trade with this strategy? I'll just say some of the conditions, and we're going to study it probably over this coming year. Now the first thing that you need to do is identify a time frame that you want to work in. Now I chose the 15-minute time frame, and I want to work in my 15-minute time frame. And as we talked before in the previous videos about your time frame and how it also impacts the time that you hold your trades, or the time that you are trading, or the frequency at which you make your trades. Okay, so I use the 15-minute time frame because I'm mostly an intraday trader, which means I usually open and close my trades within the same day. Okay, within the same day, because I trade every day. That's an intraday trader. Okay, if you want to be a swing trader or a position trader, you probably have to look at a higher time frame. Maybe you want to close your trades after a day or two. You probably have to use like your 1 hour time frame or your 4 hour time frame. Okay, and if you're a position trader, probably you're looking at the daily charts or your weekly charts. But if you want to do intraday trading, then we're going to be in our 15-minute time frame. Again, I'll do videos on all the time frames, so don't worry about it. Okay, just make sure that you like this video. If you want a part 2, let's get to 100 likes. Okay, so here's the first thing that you do if you want to make a trade. Let me remove some of these things. If you want to make a trade on this, let me show you the trade that we entered. I entered into a buy trade right here, and it exited right about there. Okay, and let me show you my reasons. The first condition was the black line has to reach your buy level. Okay, so the first thing is you want to see your black line approaching your buy level. This is to just show you the momentum of the market and show you that there is a possibility of a reversal. Okay, doesn't necessarily mean that you have to enter into the market right away. No, it's just showing you the possibility of a reversal, a peak formation, that type of thing. Okay, But then now, for you to enter into the trade, number one, you need about 3 conditions, right? You can see that we have our EMA 14 and our EMA 50, and notice that the gap between the EMAs is starting to pull up. So you need to notice this gap closing. Okay, this difference should start to close, and if once you start seeing that, you then wait for the market to give you an entry, and an entry would be when the market then decides to cross each other right there. You can see that the green line then crossed the red line, and that was the green line for a buy trade. So from that moment, you're supposed to enter into a buy, and as you can see, the market spiked all the way up. Okay, as you can see, the market spiked all the way up, and you would have been in profit. So moving on from right about here, going all the way up to this level. I'm not sure how many pips this is, but I'm sure it is a lot of money. Okay, the same thing happens even if you want to enter into a sell trade. Here is a perfect example of a sell trade. We see that the black line has approached our sell region. We wait for the gap to start closing in, and we wait for them. We'll then wait for the market to cross. So we see that the EMA is crossed right there at this point, and the market pushed all the way down just like that. We already have 2 wins. Let's see if we can get another one. Now here's a clean buy trade that you can see. I don't even need to start pointing it out again because it is clearly visible right there. You can see what the market did after giving us a nice opportunity to enter from our strategy. Now you can use this strategy even on crash, and you can still be catching spikes with it. Can you see what was happening here? First of all, we had our black line in our sell zone. We started to see the gap closing, and we also started to see the cross. And the moment we crossed, you can see that we had opportunities to sell all the way down, okay, to our take profit. Can you see that, guys? So we could have managed to catch all those spikes. And if you check, you can also look for a buy opportunity even on crash, and you still get it. Right here we managed to be buying all the way up. I'm going to show you, I think, on part 2 how you can even add more positions to this using this strategy. But remember, let's hit 100 likes if you guys are really interested in this strategy. Okay, make sure you subscribe and comment down below if you want to win a sit in our VIP Signals group. Until next time.